Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So just open your Roblox and make sure that you are 13 plus, right? So for example, if you are under 13, then you will be not to allowed a voice chat, right? For example, let me show you. On the top right you will see the settings gear icon. Just click on it, and once you click on it you will get this drop down. Now just go to the settings, and here in the settings, let me show you. Basically it will ask you to verify your age, right? So for example, here you can see verify my age, and here I haven't verified. So for example, not it's not an example. If I don't verify my age, Roblox will not allow me to use my voice chat. So before you using this feature of voice chat, you need to verify your age. So first of all, you have to click on verify my age, and you have to just give your valid ID, and then you will able to verify your age, right? And once you have done that, just go to the privacy, and here you will get an option of voice chat under the privacy section. So for example, you can see who can text chat with me. It's of course you have to select everyone, and once you add it you will get this option of voice chat. So here I can't find this voice chat option because I haven't verified. So first of all, you need to be 13 plus, and if you are 13 plus, then you have to prove that you are 13 plus. You have to give your age verification proof, and once you have given that, you will able to use this voice chat. I hope you find this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.